I'm Tanisha from Nashville. I am 4 months pregnant. When I found out I was first pregnant, I was excited, but also kind of nervous because I didn't know what to expect. I started experiencing some changes as far as like morning sickness and different things going on with my body that I wasn't familiar with. And now I have to sleep on my side, which makes my hips hurt sometimes. So the product that I use to relieve my hip pain is the TENS unit. So I just put it on my hip, select the intensity, and after the fact I can feel the relief from the stimulation. It feels good, so I'm able to go about my day after I use it. The back brace is helpful, so now I'm starting to get bigger and have low back pain. It's very easy to use. You just adjust the band to whatever size you need. I'm starting to experience swelling in my ankles. So in the compression device that's provided by Surge Prep, that's what helps me the most in relieving the swelling. It helps my ankles go down. Nobody wants water ankles. I'm really glad that I have the pregnancy kit provided by Surge Prep.